In the context of a Shopify store, products refer to the items or goods that you sell. These can be physical products, such as clothing, electronics, or home decor, or digital products, such as ebooks, software, or online courses. Adding products to your Shopify store involves creating and configuring product listings with relevant information, including images, descriptions, pricing, variants, and inventory details. This allows customers to view and purchase your products on your store's website. Now, let's see how we can add products in Shopify. We will add 3 products, including 1 simple product and 2 products with variations. A simple product refers to a product that does not have any options or variations. For example, if you are selling a mug with no size or color options, it would be considered a simple product. If your product has different variations, such as size, color, or any other customizable option, you can add variants to accommodate these options. This allows customers to choose their preferred variation when purchasing the product. First of all, we will add a mug, which is a simple product. Navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. From your Shopify admin, click on Products in the left-hand menu. On the Products page, click on the Add Product button. Enter a descriptive title for your product. This title should accurately represent the product you are adding. Make it concise, clear, and engaging to attract customers' attention. In this case, we enter Classic Ceramic Mug. Provide a detailed description of the product. This is your opportunity to highlight the unique features, benefits, and specifications of the product. Use persuasive language and include any relevant information that can help customers make an informed purchasing decision. Consider mentioning the product's uses, materials, dimensions, care instructions, and any other relevant details. In our case, we will enter a descriptive and engaging description of the mug, highlighting its features such as a durable ceramic build, a comfortable handle, and a capacity of 12 ounces. Mention any unique characteristics, such as being dishwasher and microwave safe. I have already prepared the description for the mug and I will paste the description here. Next, we upload high-quality images of the product. Click on the Upload New button to upload product images. It's recommended to include multiple images showcasing different angles, close-ups, or variations of the product. High-resolution and visually appealing images can significantly impact customers' perception of the product and increase the likelihood of making a purchase. In our case, we upload images of the mug showcasing its design, color, and any special features. Include images from different angles to provide a comprehensive view. You can also select which image would be the thumbnail image. Next, we will enter the price of the product. Consider factors such as production costs, profit margins, market demand, and competitors' prices when setting the price. You can set a regular price or specify a sale price if applicable. Keep in mind that pricing can play a crucial role in attracting customers and staying competitive in the market. We enter the regular or base price for the product here. This is the price before any discounts or variations are applied. If you want to display a higher original price alongside the discounted price, for example, for a sale or promotional offer, enter the original price at Compare at Price. This field is optional and can be left blank if not applicable. If you want to track the cost of each item for inventory management purposes, you can enter the cost per item here. The customers won't see this. It will automatically calculate the profit and margin. This field is optional and can be left blank if not applicable. Whether we should enable the charge tax on this product option depends on the tax regulations in your jurisdiction and the type of product you are selling. Different regions and countries have varying tax laws and requirements. It's important to understand the tax rules in your jurisdiction. Some products may be exempt from sales tax, while others may require tax collection. Research the tax laws in your area or consult with a tax professional to determine if your product is subject to taxation. Certain products may be subject to specific tax rules or exemptions. For example, food, medicine, or educational materials may have different tax requirements compared to other products. Determine if your product falls into any specialized tax categories and consult the relevant tax regulations to make an informed decision. If you sell to customers in different regions or countries, tax requirements may vary. Shopify has built-in tax settings that allow you to set up tax rates based on customer location. You can configure tax settings to automatically calculate and charge taxes based on the customer's shipping address. Research the tax collection requirements in your jurisdiction to determine if you need to charge tax on your products. If your product is subject to taxation in your jurisdiction and you are responsible for collecting and remitting sales tax, you should enable the charge tax on this product option in Shopify. This ensures that taxes are appropriately calculated and charged to customers during the checkout process. It's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional or local tax authorities to ensure compliance with tax regulations specific to your business. If you want to track and manage inventory for the product, enable the Track Quantity option. This allows you to keep track of the stock levels and avoid overselling. Enter the initial quantity available for sale. If the product has variants, such as different sizes or colors, you can set individual stock levels for each variant. The Track Quantity option is useful when you have a limited stock of a product and want to track its availability accurately. Enabling this option allows you to manage inventory levels, prevent overselling, and display stock availability to customers. You can also select to continue selling when out of stock. However, if your product has an unlimited quantity, it is unnecessary to track the quantity. By not enabling the Track Quantity option, Shopify will assume that the product is always in stock and available for purchase. This means that customers will not see any out of stock notifications or limitations when ordering the product. If you use SKUs stock keeping units for inventory management, you can enter a unique SKU for the product. SKUs are alphanumeric codes that help identify and track products. They can be useful for efficient inventory management and order fulfillment. If you have barcodes for your products, you can also enter the barcode number in this field. Barcodes are often used for scanning and tracking products during the sales process. They can streamline inventory management and improve the accuracy of order processing. If you are setting the shipping rates based on weight, then you may want to enter the weight of the product here. This information is essential for calculating shipping costs based on weight. Accurate weight helps ensure that customers are charged the correct shipping fees. If your shipping option is not related to weight, such as offering free shipping or flat rate shipping regardless of the weight of the product, you don't need to add in a weight. It's entirely optional. If your product has different variations, such as size or color options, click on the Add Variant button. Enter the variant details, including price, SKU, and any other relevant information. In our case, since it is a simple product without variations, we are going to ignore that. For the search engine listing preview, you can edit the meta title and meta description to optimize the product's visibility on search engines. It is optional. If you want to assign the product to a specific collection, click on the Collections drop-down menu and select the desired collection. In our case, we have already created the collections in previous lesson. We can now choose the mug collection here. You can also choose the product category, enter the product type and vendor here. Furthermore, you can enter the tags for the product. Tags are keywords that you assign to products for organization and categorization purposes. They help you group products based on categories, collections, or promotions. Tags make it easier for customers to find products using search or filters. For example, you can enter ceramic mug and coffee mug. Choose whether you want the product to be visible on your online store immediately or if you want to schedule its visibility for a later date. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click on this Save button to add the product to your Shopify store. Now, the product of our mug has been created. Let's preview the product page. I will repeat these steps to create 2 additional products with variations. Now, we create a product for t-shirt. We enter the title Classic Unisex Tee. Provide a detailed description of the t-shirt, including its fabric, 100% cotton, fit, regular or slim, and any unique features like reinforced stitching or a tagless design. Emphasize the comfort, style, and quality of the t-shirt. Upload high-quality images of the t-shirt, displaying various colors and angles. Each image should correspond to the specific variant. Specify the base price of the t-shirt. Enable inventory tracking if you want to manage stock levels for each variant. We will not enable the track quantity option here. In this example, we will add variations for our t-shirt. First of all, we specify the sizes. Then, we specify the color. Now, we will link up the images to the corresponding variants. Select the image icon of each variant. For example, click the icon for the white variant. Then select the white t-shirt. Repeat the steps for the yellow variants. After completing these steps, the image of the variant will appear on the homepage after selecting the variant. For example, we select the yellow variant. The yellow color t-shirt will be displayed. Similarly, when we select the white variant, the white t-shirt will be displayed. Next, we select the collection for the t-shirt. Let's preview the product page. Now we create a product for a hoodie. We enter the title for our hoodie. Provide a detailed description of the hoodie. Upload high-quality images of the hoodie. Specify the base price of the hoodie. Enable inventory tracking if you want to manage stock levels for each variant. We will not enable the track quantity option here. In this example, we will add variations for our hoodie. First of all, we specify the sizes. Then, we specify the color. We will also enter the price for each of the variations for our hoodie. Next, we select the collection for the hoodie. Let's preview the product page. Now, we have successfully added 3 products in Shopify. Let's move on to the next step.